Today, I will explain how to get more Discord orbs easily and efficiently. Discord orbs are a new currency in Discord that you can use to buy items in the Discord shop. Currently, you can use them to get a 3-day Nitro credit, Magic Mists, or Pondering Portal avatar decorations, or the Orbs Apprentice badge, which adds another badge to your profile. The way to get Discord orbs is by completing Discord quests. At the moment, there are 3 quests available that reward orbs when you complete them. One quest is from Discord themselves, one is promoted by Wild Gate, and one is promoted by Terminal Brigade. But since these 2 quests have already ended, so I cannot claim these 700 orbs. Discord's own quest gives 150 orbs. This means the maximum amount I could have without spending was 1,450 orbs. But as you can see, there are many other game quests still available, through which I can earn many orbs. The easiest way to keep earning orbs is to check the Quests tab on Discord regularly. Open Discord, click on Discover it, and then go to Quests. If there is a new quest available, complete it to collect your orbs. That is how you can get more Discord orbs. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides.